You make it, we simulate it. CG Tech's VERICUT is the world's leading CNC simulation and verification software. Companies using high-value CNC machine tools need to maximize their efficiency by simulating and verifying CNC programs in a virtual environment. VERICUT allows the user to run the CNC program on a virtual machine tool and check for programming errors. Speed the implementation of new machine tools. Eliminate scrap parts and costs of replacement material and rework. Optimize feed rates for faster cycle times. Eliminate costly machine collisions and associated repair and downtime costs. Use the virtual environment to test alternative machining strategies to maximize efficiency. VERICUT is used in all industry sectors, including aerospace and defense, by prime manufacturers and their supply chains in both the aerostructures and aero-engine sectors. Automotive, including motorsport. Oil and gas, in the production of drilling and subsea exploration equipment. Power generation plant, including marine. In the medical sector, for the manufacture of surgical equipment and also custom limb replacements. Consumer products, including toys, sports equipment, and watches. In mold making and heavy equipment manufacturing, including nuclear engineering. You make it, we simulate it. VERICUT simulates the CNC machining process for large, small, simple, or complex parts and all types of CNC machining, including 3-axis milling, turning, mill turn, 5-axis machining, grinding, water jet cutting, and composites trimming. You make it, we simulate it. Whatever brand of CNC machines you use. Mazak CNC machines, DMG Mori CNC machines, Matsura CNC machines. In fact, on all of the world's leading CNC machine tool brands, you make it, we simulate it. Regardless of which CAM system you use, or even if you don't use a CAM system. Dassault Systems CATIA, Siemens PLM NX, Vero Software EdgeCam, OpenMind Hypermill, Delcam PowerMill or FeatureCam, CNC Software Mastercam, DP Technology Esprit. You make it, we simulate it. Whatever cutting tools you use, or however you manage them. VERICUT can be integrated with leading tool management systems, including Sandvik Advion, Kennametal Novo, Machining Cloud, Zoller, Iskar iCloud, Spironi, TDM Systems, Siemens Manufacturing Resource Library, and WinTool. You make it, we simulate it. CG Tech has sales and support offices throughout the world and an extensive network of resellers. VERICUT, the world's leading CNC simulation software. You make it, we simulate it.